Accidentally reposted something on Instagram? Or maybe you just changed your mind and want it removed? Don't worry. Deleting a repost is quick and simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a repost on Instagram step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I make social media tips simple and stress-free. Today I'll show you how to delete a repost on Instagram the correct way. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check before continuing. Now let's head to your profile. Step 2. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open your profile page. Here you can see your posts, tagged content, and reposts. We'll access the repost section next. Step 3. Look for the repost icon on your profile page. Tap on it to view all the posts you've reposted. This section displays everything you've shared from other accounts. Find the repost you want to remove. If this quick guide is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post simple, updated Instagram tutorials that make your social media life easier, so turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Step 4. Press and hold the repost you want to delete. A menu with additional options will appear on your screen. Make sure you're selecting the correct repost before proceeding. Now you're ready for the final step. Step 5. From the menu, tap Delete Repost. Confirm your choice if prompted. Once deleted, the repost will be removed from your profile immediately. And that's it. Simple and done. And that's how you delete a repost on Instagram in just a few seconds. Managing your reposts helps keep your profile clean and organized. If this tutorial helped you, drop a comment below and tell me what Instagram feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simple, clear, and made for everyone. I'll see you in the next one.